I can't see. Yo, it's Chris with Blind TV. Been a while since I posted, a week or two. Man, all this stuff that's been going on with the COVID-19 and all that. You know, I hate to hear the people that we've lost. People are sick. I hope you guys fight through it and do what you guys need to do to just stay strong out there. But I've had cabin fever myself, guys. I've been stuck. Last time I went riding was when Ranger Dirty and Ben from Acme came up, and my boy Kyle, but today it's a beautiful day today, and this weekend my friends Wyatt and Brian and a couple other guys called me up and said, dude, we want to come and get you. We want you to ride. They know this is my freedom. This is what I enjoy, and I got ecstatic. So I pulled the machine out that you guys can see. She's all nice and shiny. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. All nice and shiny, and got a guy. You know, got her cleaned up. Get the old out. You know, start the new year, and boy, everything's just looking shiny. She's pretty in the sunlight, man. The camera doesn't do no justice or whatnot, but you know, I did clean her up, and I didn't have to change the tires, thank God, because I had them on. And my boy Kyle from Dragonfire, thank you, buddy. I called him up the other day and I said, dude, I'm getting pretty aggressive with my machine these days. I'd like a little bit more safety, and he said, Chris, I got you, man. And today in the mail, and they're in the house, and I will do an install video of 5-point harnesses, guys. And I'm gonna tell you, it's something you don't have to have, but man, it's such an added benefit when you got them. I have them now. I'm about to install them, but these are Dragonfire 3-inch padded, which are by far one of the. I love these harnesses, man. They're a quick release pattern. You know, you just yank this open and it pulls up. The 5th point's going to go down here and loop up right here, and what that allows this to do is allows these shoulder straps to not move up and down like this. Even though you have it tight down, this lap belt typically is a waist belt. I mean, it more rides on your waist than it does your lap. But the 5th point allows it to be a lap belt because it keeps it like that, and it keeps these straight, and it won't keep them from wandering off. You know, I've had nothing. And the one good thing I love about these 3 points is that the padding on this thing is just so soft, and it's breathable, and you don't sweat. And they're built harnesses, man. I love them. You know, one thing I need to get eventually is communications for this, because being blind and riding solo, it's kind of one of those deals that you know, my guys get ahead of me and go left, and I may go right. There's not a trip that doesn't go where I get lost, for sure. And typically I have a navigator with me who just says, you know, it's left, right, or whatnot. But I'm doing the old solo act and stuff, but I mean, we'll work through it, and I have before, and we'll just keep trucking. But Kyle, thank you big time, sir. Mad shout out to Kyle from Dragonfire. He hooked it up, man. He just said, I got you taken care of. Sent me a set of 5 points for me, and I'll do an install on them, which is super simple. I'll take this bottom seat off. There's a bar that goes across. I'll drill a hole in it, run a bolt in it, and then bam. And I'll do an install video on it. But I just wanted to show you guys how shiny and pretty this thing looks. As you can tell, she's got some love marks on her. I waxed her up. You know, she's nice and slick and just shiny. You know, looking good. And I can't be more happier. The Nerf bars are still doing good. And here it is, guys. There's my 5th point right here. It's mounted tight. It's right there, all hooked up. And let me tell you guys something about Dragonfire harnesses. These are a 4.3 inch. I love them. You're dealing with the budget, and people think, oh, this right here is to keep you in. It keeps it together, but they're not foolproof. They're not designed to you don't depend on these as a safety feature. Let's put it that way. And that's fine because this is the safety part. But it's a good thing to have. I ran 4 points for 4 years, and now I'm just getting to a point where I'm getting a lot more ballsy, I guess you could say, with my riding style. And I figured I'd like to be a little more planted. I mean, I wish I had aftermarket seats. You know, just not in the cards anytime soon. So, but this right here, this is secured to, and I'm about to show you guys what it's secured to. So I have looked and looked and looked and looked and looked, and there's not a single 5-point harness strap deal. Well, here we are, guys. You take the seat out. This is the 5-point strap right here. Kyle from Dragonfire, dude. I appreciate it. I really do, man. You've always had my back. Any of you guys out there need to definitely check out Dragonfire. They got harnesses. They do all kinds of different, like, bumpers and all kinds of different accessories. But, you know, their harnesses are just phenomenal. They're good. I have PV. Got my boy Wyatt, man. What is up, Wyatt? Holy shit, I haven't seen this truck in person. Damn, this is a nice truck, Wyatt. Oh, there's the cute dog. All right, what you gonna bark at me for, huh?
I don't know you yet. His name is Jack.
Jack?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Jack?
He hasn't been on any road trips yet.
Oh, yeah.
This is a new experience for him.
Oh, heck yeah. Wyatt, say what's up to the YouTube world.
What's up?
Man, dude, this trailer is slick. Yeah, dude. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna be rolling in. I think we should have no problems loading the Z up, that's for sure.
Well, I'm packing up my game and I'ma head out west, where real women come equipped with scripts and fake press. Find a nest in the hills, chill like Flint. Buy an old drop top, find a spot to pimp. Then I'm a kid, rock it up and down your block with a bottle of scotch and watch lots of crotch. Buy a yacht with a flag saying chillin' the most. Then rock that bitch up and down the coast. Give a toast to the sun, drink with the stars. Get thrown in the mix and tossed out of bars. Sip to Tijuana, I wanna roam. Find Motown, telling fools to come back home. Start an escort service for all the right reasons, and set up shop at the top of Four Seasons. Kid rockin', I'm the real McCoy, and I'm headed out west, sucker, because I wanna be a cowboy, baby.
With a top left back and the sunshine shining.
Cowboy, baby.
West Coast chillin' with the booze
I wanna be a cowboy, baby.
riding at night 'cause I sleep all day.
Cowboy, baby.
I can smell a pig from a mile away.
I bet you'll hear my whistle blowing when my train rolls in. It goes like dust in the wind. I once was lost, but now I'm just blind. Palm trees and weeds, scab knees and rice. Get a map to the stars, find Heidi flights. And if the price is right, then I'm gonna make my bid, boy, and let California ain't know why they call